Guys, this is Shahid and welcome to my channel. Today we will be discussing how to use Telegram application. So guys, we already make a video on how to create an account on Telegram. You can find the link in the description, but today we will be talking about the different features of Telegram. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, as you can see at the top left corner, there is the menu option. So once you click on the menu options, you will find new group. So here you can see that how you can create a group. So first of all, they say that add people. So you will need to click on the people you want to be in that group. So once you selected the people, then you can enter the name of the group. So I will enter the name of the group, and from here you can add any emoji you want, and you can even select a photo for your group that will be used only for your group, not your profile picture. So I will select this one just to give you an example. And once you're done with everything, you will click on the arrow at the bottom. As you can see, once you click on it, your group will be created. So this is how you can create a group. So the second option is that how to look for your contact. Here you can see that you will find your contact which are already on Telegram. If you want to find people nearby, there is an option as well. So once you click on find people nearby, so exchange contact info with people nearby and find new friends. You can find friends which are not in your contact list. You can find new people. So here, as you can see, people nearby and make myself visible. So once you click on it, so they show your profile. User nearby will be able to view your profile and send you messages. So I will click on OK. So then you can, again, if you don't want to show yourself in the nearby list, so you can click on it and it will stop showing you. So once you click again, it will ask you permission. So I show myself, and here are the people in the list. As you can see that these people are using Telegram nearby, and even you can see that the distance in kilometers, they're showing 4.58 kilometer away. So then you can make new friends like that. You can click and you can start chatting with them. So this is also a very good feature. So this is how you can do. And one more thing in your contact, that you can invite people like these people in my contact list, but not using Telegram. So you can send invitation message to them, and then they can also be friends on Telegram with you. So the next option is the calls options. Here you will find your call logs, like how many people call you call to people, you missed called, and how much duration. So here you will find the call options. And here, if you click on the call, so anyone on the list that you have your contact, you just click and the call will be transferred to them. So then this is how you can do the calls. There is a shortcut as well, that people nearby is the same thing that we discussed a while ago. And then there is saved messages, like when you sent messages and you save the messages, you can find the messages here. So I did not save any message right now, so there is no message, but once you chat with people and you saved some messages, you can find those messages here. So this is how you can do. The next is the setting options, which is very important. So once you click on the setting, here you can see you can change your profile picture. Here you can even edit your name. If you click on the three dots at the right top corner, you can edit your name. You can even log out from here if you want to log out. But if you want to edit your name, you can do that as well. And from here you can change your picture. This is how it will work. You can change your picture as well. The account is tap to change your phone number. Here you can change your phone number as well. Username, once I click on the username, they say that you can choose a username on Telegram. If you do, people will be able to find you by the username and contact you without needing your phone number. So this is how, also a very good thing. If you don't want to share your phone number, then you can set up your username, and on that way you will not be required to give your phone number to other people. They can add you by username as well, and you can add some bio about something about yourself to introduce yourself as well, so people may know you more better. So in the setting, there is notification and sounds for chats and for calls. So as you can see, private chats, everything is enabled. So if you want to disable it, like there are groups, channels, and vibrate ringtones, there are many things. So if you want to disable that, This is only for the notification settings, so you can do it from here. So this is how you will find the different options for the notification and sounds. So this is how you can do. Then the second thing which is very important is privacy and settings. So here the first thing is that blocked user, the people that you already blocked, you can find them here. I will tell you later that how to block a contact. So here you can see your phone number. So who can see my phone number? Everybody, my contact, or nobody? Or at the bottom there is add exceptions, like always allow. So you can add actually people who are in your contact list, that they will be allowed to see your phone number, and other than that nobody can see your picture. So you can actually customize that as well. But if you click like my contacts or everybody or nobody, then you can choose from above as well. So then there is last seen and online, which is very important for your privacy. So if you everybody, so the people who are not in your contact list can still see your last seen or my contact or nobody. So I usually prefer nobody should see it, so I will choose that one. So profile photo is set for everybody or my contact, and then there is never allow those people to add you to see your profile picture. So you just click on it and then select any of the contact that you don't want to share your profile picture with. So you can select that one as well. Then the other option is the forward messages. Who can add a link to my account when forwarding my messages? Everybody, my contact, or nobody. And then there is another option, add exceptions. So you can choose according to your, as you can see, forwarded message from Shahid Khan. So it means that my name is mentioned there. So if somebody forward your message, so your name will be mentioned. So if you don't want them to see your name, so you can put nobody, and nobody will see your name if your message was forwarded. So this is how you can select. And then the other option is calls. Who can call me? Everybody, my contact, or nobody. So I will select my contact, or you can add exceptions as well. So this is how you can do. This is your privacy settings. Then group, who can add me to group chats? So everybody or my contact. If you don't want any stranger to add you into groups, so you can set it to my contacts. And if you want everyone that they can add you to any groups, then you can select everybody. So this is how it works. Then the other option is security. There is a passcode lock. So if you enable this one, it will need you to give a passcode, and without the passcode you cannot open your Telegram. So this is for the security reason. So here they say that when you set up an additional passcode, a lock icon will appear on the chat page. Tap it to lock and unlock your Telegram app. So this is how you can use an extra code to lock and unlock your Telegram if you want more security. There is a two-step verification. You can also enable that one. You can set a password that will be required when you log in on a new device, in addition to the code you get in the SMS. So this is a two-step. Like the one step is that you will receive a message. The second step is that the device which is already using this account will also receive a code, and you need to put that to give the permission to the other device that device can also use your. So this is also a very good security option. You can set a password, and that's it. So these are all the option. Then the other option, which is very important, if you like delete my account, so once you click on that, you will find many options. Account self-destruct. So how the account will be self-destructed, like in 1 month or 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year. Like if you don't use the account, so it will be automatically deleted after 1 month or 3 months or 6 months. So you can choose any of that options, and that will be done like that. So there are some other options as well, but the most important one we already discussed. So this is the privacy and security, and then we will go to the data and network usage. So storage usage. Here you can see, you will see that your photos and videos the people sent you will be stored in. So you can find out that how much storage this application has taken, and then you can see your data usage as well. Here is the other very important option, automatic media download. When using mobile data, So you can enable it that even on the phone data you can download different things when connected on Wi-Fi, photos and videos. 15 MB or 3 MB you can download that one. So when roaming, because then the data is very expensive, so that's why only photos, or you can just disable it and nothing will be happen. If you want to auto download setting, reset it, so just click on that one and it will be reset it. So autoplay media is like GIFs, so I enable it, so the GIFs will be played automatically. Videos, if you don't want them to play automatically, you can off it and then you can enable it anytime. So this is how you can do that thing. So this is very important as well. Then the next option is the chat setting. So here you can see that you can message your text size. You can select from here. If you want to have a big font size, you can do that as well. So color theme, you can change the color theme, like, and as you can see there is a display as well that you can see. So you can choose any color, and then you can choose the messaging corner, like you can make it a bit wider or you can make it the normal size as well. So this is how you can select chat list view. You can also select like the different people that you're chatting, and then it will be like 2 lines or 3 lines. Setting auto night mode, if you enable it, then it will be auto night mode. It's like adaptive dark, it will be becoming like dark mode. In-app browser, you can use it. Direct share, show recent chats and Android share menu, so you can enable or disable that one. Enable animation, large emojis, raise to speak, and send by enter. So if you do like this, then when you type a message, just need to enter. You don't need to press the send button again and again, and it will be sent. And save to gallery, if anything like the media files, photos, videos somebody is sending, or even some music file, then it will be downloaded and saved to the gallery as well. So this is how you can change your chat settings as well. There is another option, which is the devices. So here you can see that what device is using your phone. So here is Telegram, Android 7.3.1, and there is the Samsung Galaxy, like the phone model numbers which is using it. And here you can see the scan QR code. So here you can scan QR code, download Telegram on your computer from your desktop. So here is how you can use the Telegram application in your account on a computer from here. So once you log into that and you download it, so from here, scan QR code when you click on it, and then you can scan that code, and then you can use your Telegram application on your computer. So this is how you can do that as well. These were some of the important features in the settings and on the profile side. Now I will tell you how you can send messages and how you can send your media files and how you can call to your contacts. So here, like if I found, I will type a message and just send it, and here you can see like the double tick marks, so that means that the message has already been delivered. And here, as you can see, I can see the last seen of my contact, your friends and contact, you can see here. So here at the top right corner, there is the 3-dot menu. Once you click on it, here, as you can see, the first option is to make a call. So this is a voice call. The second one is a video call. So this is how you can make a video call as well. You can search for some specific messages as well, and you can click on the clear history to clear the chat history. You can mute notification if you don't want to get the notification from that specific contact, so you can mute it, and you can delete the chat as well. So this is how you can do the calling and the video calling and everything like that. And if I click on the name here, so as you can see, the notification is on. I can even off the notification, and the calling option at the top, as you can see, you can use that as well. But if I click on 3-dotted menu there, then you can share the contact to some other person. you can block the user. From here you can block the user, and then you can edit the contact as well. You can delete the contact or start a secret chat from here, or add this one to the home screen. So there will be a shortcut to your home screen to chat with this particular person. So this is how you can do it. This is how you can make calls. You can send your pictures. Like from here, is you can see from this is the gallery, and from here you can select any picture and any media file and you can send it. There is another option like sending the files, so the different files you can send from here. Then there is a location option as well. You can send location, you can send contact as well, you can send some music files as well. So this is how you can interact with the people. And there is like you can send the emojis to make your chat more interesting. There are many options. There are gifs as well, there are stickers as well. I will click on the stickers, and as you can see, the first one is like a hot chatty. So here it's like you will find many options to send some very cool stickers and things like that. So this is how you can do it. So guys, these are some of the important features of Telegram. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.